I'm sharing my screen. This IDoc is very good concept. Interface. IDoc is the interface. Mm, University. Avish, you can hear me, yeah?
Yes.
So I observed that what the you were saying that error, right? In that OData and all. Recently,
Ah,
they did some changes in the system. For that, there is even RAP also. I'm unable to develop the application. Whatever the ID that we I given to you.
ah.
So that is they did some changes.
SAP only.
That web test one that you try right that OData. In my OData I lost it, and I see OData only the
Sir,
one what you created. Hmm?
sir, this is given by CG, I think.
Which one?
Now you are logging
This
in
one.
now, sir.
This one
That
is
one
our
give.
system. Yesterday I spoke
Ah,
to vendor people. I asked them at least
okay.
we need take a backup and all. Then I requested them. They given 2 days access.
Sir, here also not coming, sir.
Hmm?
In this server also, OData is not coming back.
Is it what was working right? No, it's not working.
I haven't seen, sir.
But see, we can check it here, right? Our
Time.
OData. See, this is all my OData, what I created
Ah,
in the class. This one, all is there.
once go to service
So,
maintenance, sir.
service maintenance now is.
Yes, sir. Here we are getting RFC destination and SAP gateway client, but in your system, I am not
Mm-hmm.
getting, sir.
Mm-hmm. I
So that's
informed
why I
them
use a
already,
postman
RAP
for you.
also, RAP error also. See,
Wrap error,
RAP
sir.
error, just
Wrap
check it.
water you are getting, sir.
I'll show you that now. See, just this error we have not got earlier. Last step, this error is coming. I'm showing. For creation and all is working.
Uh, While developing in your server, I have encountered another issue also.
Uh-huh.
Uh, while putting the projection view, the fields are not exposing, sir.
Is it?
HTTPS to smart
We have not encountered this type of error, right? Earlier.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I think instead of here, we need to go there. ST22. We will get a detailed error description also.
Correct, 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 correct. I will check it in that system later. So you are
Once
okay, right? You
tell
stay
me
back in the
which
call.
service binding you are getting,
Hmm?
sir. I will check.
Mm-hmm.
In which service binding you are getting this error, I will check, sir.
Or you can check it later. Now Adras is
Ah,
connected into that system, that ID. So we can
okay,
check it
sir.
under my package. Yesterday I created one wrap
Hmm.
application. Only one application you can find. A new
Okay,
package
sir.
there. Under that package, I created this application.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Be there in
I
the
will
call, no
check
problem.
after.
You are okay, right? Just stay back. So I'm taking the IDocs now first, quickly.
Okay, sir.
Then we'll go to OData also.
Okay, sir.
Adras and Parviz, the IDocs is a very, very interesting concept in SAP. Interface concept. Data sending. This is like this. SAP system. You can bring the data from the SAP database tables. And then you can create a IDoc. This is the IDoc. IDoc is a data place, data holder. This is the IDoc. So this IDoc can go to the next system. It may be SAP other system or legacy system. IDoc will come to here. From here, the data will post into the SAP database. Sorry, their database, legacy system. This is called outbound IDoc. Can you hear me both? Hello? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
This is the IDoc, outbound IDoc. This is the I'll show you in the system. Outbound IDoc. So inbound IDoc, like a BAPI concept only, legacy system. This is the IDoc. They will generate the IDoc, legacy system. IDocs will come into SAP system. SAP system. Inbound IDoc. From this inbound IDoc, you can post the data. Say SAP database. Inbound IDoc flow. Okay. So I'll show you the program. IDoc program. I don't know which is my program. This one only, right? This is my ID only. This is my IDoc only. Okay. So I'll show you this. What is this? Then you'll understand. I'll explain about the program also. Okay. So if I generate this program, right, it will generate one the outbound IDoc. So I'll execute here. Right? Outbound matmask IDoc generated successfully. Where you can see is in WE02 /4 WE02. If I go to execute, this is the IDoc. IDoc status in 30. 30 means ready to dispatch. Okay. Now, if we see the data, this is the control data. Okay. It will give you the information of the IDoc type, message type, partner number, partner type, port of the other system. Here you can see the data. This is one record I am passing here. This is status of the IDoc. What is the IDoc status? 30 means success. Okay. Mm. So now I'll run a program, IDoc outbound execution program, RS NA. What is the program name? I wish you remember it.
Which program, sir?
RS, the program from 30 status to 03. RS NAST 000, right? Program name. For IDoc RS
NAST 00.
this one only. Right? This one only, right? Just check it once. I wish program name. Then this IDoc status will change, right? February 02. Till it is status 30 only. IDoc processing program.
Hello, sir.
Hello, I wish.
RAC OUT 00 things.
Check. Oh, you being already in the group, right? Chat window. RAC out 00, na?
For changing the status code only.
Hmm. It'll process the already status 30
Ah,
records, IDocs. This one only, I think. will come the pop-up, right, saying that two IDocs select. Correct. Done. Now you can check it the IDocs status. It takes time, I think, right? Still 30 on the status. So I will explain about this program, IDoc program. Yesterday I copied already in our group. So think of what could be the LD underscore EDADD.
Internal table.
Correct, internal table. IDoc internal table. You can check it the structure here. EDADD is structure. Right? IDoc number of SAP segment type, all this. This is structure of the IDoc. You can see the data field here as data. This is work area. What is this one? Also work area. How do you know? Because it's a structure type. You can see the control record. Hmm. So what I am building here is, okay, here I am passing the IDoc control data, message type. What is this message type is? You can see message type we have created. What the transaction code you remember? Avish?
93.
91 or 93, sir.
Huh? Message type
91
creation
or
error.
93, sir.
Because this one we don't use that much regularly.
91, sir.
SC 91, huh? No. 91 is message class, right? Message type 2. IDoc message type.
Oh,
IDoc. Come on, properly.
W80.
Hmm?
WE81.
WE80, no?
81, 81.
WE81
We will get
slash.
one table and we will fill the this one only, sir.
No, no. On that day, the board also I took the photo. If you remember, it was there for 1 week. That photo steps. Outbound IDoc. Okay, no problem. So I will show you where from. These steps also I'll show what I have done. Hmm. W31 first. Segment type, right? W31. I went to W31. Okay, this is the two fields I created. Can I check this is mine only? Mine or somebody's of our student. ZMAH or what is the program, the IDoc segment type I have copied here. This is the message type, right? So message type. And step, which step is the message type here? The IDoc type. This is the IDoc type. This is the IDoc type. So where you can see this IDoc type is W31. So W31. Okay. We go to W31. And W30. This is the IDoc type. Click on display. Okay. Here if required, I can do it quickly, but mm, so I'll give these steps. You can try to practice. Okay, but I will explain now what I have done. Okay, hello, Adras and Paris. You're getting?
Okay, okay. Yes.
Okay. So the concept here is, I will explain the concept. Mm, is the IDoc type. In the IDoc type, we are given the segment. This is segment. I'll tell you. This is segment. This is the segment. Segment is which fields you are sending the data. If I go to here, segment editor, you can see the fields here. These are the fields data we are using. Segment contains which data we have to populate into IDoc. To populate into IDoc. Okay. So this is the IDoc type. IDoc type contains the segment. This is segment. Okay. Now here in the program, okay. So this is the IDoc type. Message type. What message, what information you are passing, that will be available here. Message type. Show where the message type we have created in the system. Message type. Message type we have created. This is message type. Okay. So this message type in which transitional code to create is SC81. If I go to SC81, sorry, W81, go to W81 slash O W81. Okay. Here we have created that message type here. We'll search with this name. Let's search here. Okay. This is a message type created here. I think we don't give anything here, just only the name and description. This is a message type. W81. This is a message type we have created. It will give what type of message we are sending in IDoc. That is the only meaning here. Z385. This one here. Okay. Next to with respect to the program. Okay. IDoc type we have done, message type we have done, receiver port, partner type. Okay. What is RCB PRT? Partner type in the receiver. So I'll show you where I have created this partner type receiver here. receiver partner type. Hmm.
The receiver is the who will receive the IDoc
Correct, correct,
or
correct,
the
correct, correct. Receiver partner type. Here, right, in this program, not two different systems. What I did is in the same system, two different clients, I will transfer the IDoc in the same system only, but client are different. Okay. So I'll show you where this receiver port LS we have been defined here. Receiver port. W21. Okay, if I go to W21, no? E20 here. RFC line. Click that RFC line here. This one, right? I created this one here. Okay. This is the port we have created. Port number, this one. LS means the vendor, receiver port. This is the logical system. Where the logical system is, logical system I created here in sale transaction code. We go to sale. Basic settings. Logical systems. Right here. So what is that logical system name I have given here? Logical system LSM 400. You can see here LSM 400 here. LSM 400, and I assign this one to the other client here. Here LSM 400. All right. This one. This is the target system name actually. 400. Or target system, target client in this scenario. Logical system. The logical system. Logical system. What is LS400 here in the program? Logical system name. This is one-time activity only in the projects. Once anyone done already, we will just use that. That's all. We don't create every time. Okay. Receiver port name, partner name. This is the logical system name, LSM 400 here. So LSM 400 I created LSM 400, this one name here. You can see here LSM 400 here. LSM 400, this one. And the sender partner type. That if I double click here, partner type of the sender, the LS. Partner, this one is LS here. Sender partner here. Okay, you can see this in the partner profiles. Okay, and sender PRN, right? What is this one? Partner number of sender. This partner number of sender is logical system of sending system. This is sender logical system. It means from which system you are sending data. This is sender logical system. That I'll show here. LSM 100 underscore P. You can go to here. Sale transaction code only. Go to the sale transaction code. Right. Basic settings. Logical system, default logical system. Enter. LSM 100 here. You can see here. LSM 100 you can see here. This is the one. Sender logical system. Sender system alias name. This is from sender T code. Sale T code. Sale transaction code name here. So what basically we are doing here is okay. What type of message you are passing? Which IDoc type you are passing? Inside this IDoc type, we have the segments. Receiver partner type, who is receiver partner type? Okay, which is the receiving system name, logical system. Okay, sender partner type, and here sender logical system name. This is the meaning here. Okay, where you can see receiver port type LS, right? You can see in the partner profiles. If I go to partner profiles, W30, I think, or W31. partner profiles. Decode IDoc partner profiles. Mhm. Decode name for IDoc partner profiles. W20. Right? If I go to here, W20. Here I created a partner type here. Here. So here I created a LSM 400 here. To which client you are passing? Say partner type LS. LS means logical system. This is what I created partner type. I'll go this screenshot. Partner number. Okay, W20.
So this and all should we only should create like all partner type and all.
Generally, SAP basis people will create this one
Okay.
based on the to whom you are exchanging the data. Exchanging the data. What I did in this system is I did all my class students, I asked them not, they should not touch this one. If they touch, it will not work. I mean, not required. Okay, so they can write only these things they can do. I mean, anyone can do. We can do is create our own message type. We should create our own. I asked them to create our own IDoc type. Our own. This is not our own. This port is the fixed LS. Receiver partner number is fixed. This is fixed. This is the fixed. What I say, what we should do in real-time projects also is what type of information you are going to send. That things you are going to define in the IDoc type inside the segments. Inside the segments here. Okay. Now here, right? Next step here, important thing. Segment name you should pass here. That means where segment means group of fields, you can say. Okay. You can say this segment information no? In W31, I think, right? W30 or 31? W31. Segment type. This is segment type. Here I asked them to create. So you can create here, you can pass, give the field names here. Material number, material type, material group, events of measure. This information you are sending from one system to other system. Now in the program, right? Now in this program, okay, this information is must to pass the IDoc to generate the IDoc. Now here, this is where the data you are passing here. Here. Passing the data to the IDoc segments. This is a value I am passing. Okay, and then you are appending that to ls underscore s data equal to ls underscore elmaram. So this will go to as a one string into the IDoc here. You are appending here now. So one IDoc contain now currently one record is going to create. I'll show you in debug mode. What this function model will do is, this function model will generate the outbound IDoc, this function model. You should pass the control IDoc, internal table, ls underscore edc, and adadd. This is empty here. What you can see is the communication IDoc. It tell you success or failure of IDoc generation. Here. We go to here, search it. I declared here, control IDoc. System will generate the data into this internal table. I'll put a breakpoint here. Execute. Okay. Execute. Now here you are passing the message type, which information you are passing. Here the IDoc type. IDoc type contains the message type. Message type contains IDoc type contains the segment. Segment contains the fields. Fields data you are going to pass here. This information is just to not a business data. This is a technical data. And this is the business data. This is the name of the segment, to which segment you are passing the data. This is the actual data to the IDoc segments here. Segment fields here. One field value, second field, third field, fourth field. Okay. Now the old data you are going to pass as a work area, whatever the value you are having here. See here. It contains like this as a string. I mean, all these fields will go as a one string. One string it will go, but internally when it shows the IDoc, field wise it shows the data. Now how many records are there in my IDoc?
One record,
One record only. One record with how many fields?
4
1,
fields.
3, 4 fields now. Now the moment I click on execute this button, this standard function model will take care of to generate the IDocs. F6. IDoc is generated. How do I know? I can check at this internal table. This filled by SAP. Right? Line number, IDoc number, right? Status, all the things it is created. This one. This is the IDoc number. You can see the status also, right? In the status also you can find here success or failure. Based on the number only, success or failure. Okay. Now IDoc is generated here. So once generated the IDoc, you can see the data, right? Keep the code like this. Now go to the IDoc. Transaction code WE02. Execute. Okay. See now the IDoc is 30, the latest IDoc. 9th of 10, 10, 9, right? This one you can see here. IDoc. Double click this latest IDoc here. Here you can see the data. Right, IDoc ready for dispatch. Go to here. You can see the data here. Go to here, see the data. Hello? Or not here. The program. Hello? This is the data. This data came to the IDoc here. Material number, material type, right? MAT, ME. Suppose if you want to pass more than one IDoc, what you should do? Here. Here only one record you have passed now here. Yeah? Suppose you want to pass more than one record. How do you do that? Hello? Are you able to hear or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh, right. So suppose you want to pass one more record. Here it is only one record, right? If you want to pass one more record, same repeat here, right?
Yeah, we should repeat all that.
Okay. Maybe 291. Right? Suppose raw material. Material type is say maybe 1, not 2. Activate now. So now 2 records will go to the IDoc. Execute. Execute. Okay. Now go to here W02. Go to W02. Right, execute. Right, execute now here.
Sir, click on Maximus button, sir.
This one. This is the maximization already, right? Here.
No, sir, no, sir. Once click again.
This one, right? W02. Execute. Now go to here. Right, latest one, this one. Double click here. Double click here. Do you see no 2 records or not here? Right here. So this is one record. M1280. Second record. M12981. Raw material case. Like that, you go on add the number of records into the IDocs segments. This is segment fields. Okay, this code already I given you try in our new system. Okay. Next, one more program I'll show you. One more IDoc program. Okay, this is my ID only. Let's see. What I showed you the custom IDoc. This is standard IDoc. Standard IDoc generation program. Okay, in your system, right? Whatever that you logged in now, can you try to check it? This IDoc type, message type is available. IDoc type W30. This one. Go to your system. It will be available in all the systems. Go to IDoc, type here. W30. Right? IDoc type. Copy this one. Orders 05. Click on display. Don't click on delete. Click on display. This is the IDoc segments created by SAP. Here. You can see the fields here. This is one more segment type. You can see here. This segment you can check it in SC11 also. Go to here /o SC11. Segment type. See here. These are the fields. Right here. Stop. Execute. Right. BBLN. Sales document data you are passing now to other system through the IDoc. This one. Did I give like this? I never give like this, right? Line number 25. I wish, did you observe this one? I never give like this, right? 25.
So to put
Maybe I
breakpoint.
was explaining the concept, I think, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
25, line number 25. This is one more way of keeping the breakpoint. Right? You are passing here the technical data here. I think this generate the errors because I have given the wrong here. Receiver port to receiver port to receiver partner number here. Execute. Okay, now we are passing one record here. Segment name, data, pass. How many segments you pass the data? You are passing here. Passing the data. Right now, IDocs has been generated here. You can check it here. Go to here, right? Go to W02. Execute. Right, this is IDoc. Otters. It went to status 29. IDocs data has come. You can see here. Your data you can see what you passed here. So what you pass in the program? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segments here. The 5 segments, whatever the data fields, you are passing that here. Right. So 29. 29 means some settings problem here. Error in the ALV service. 29. 29. So you can change here the, we can try. We can try to get the 30 status. Yeah. Right here. These three I will change it. I'll comment this one. Okay. I'll pass same as in the other program. This one. Receiver partner, this one.
So your voice is not coming. Sir, it is not clear. No, sir. Not clear.
The network issue.
It is in, I guess, You have network issues, sir.
Maybe
Now it is coming, but not
now,
clear.
no,
Yes, yes.
maybe I don't know. Recently, Airtel has come up with some plan, right? Some premium line, something good network. I'm seeing the Airtel. Could hit W02. Execute. Right? No, this is the IDoc type. This one here. Status 29 here. It is latest IDoc. So what could be a 29 error? Error in ALE service. This is okay. Some settings error, no? But otherwise data has come into your IDoc, outbound IDoc. So I showed you two outbound IDocs. So one inbound IDoc is required to show. What is the time now?
Fine.